Want to follow people on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to follow people on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Now you can follow people by two ways. The first way is by tapping on the plus icon on the profile picture. Now click on the follow button. The second way is by searching their name. Tap on the search icon which is at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the search bar and enter the name of the person that you want to follow. Now click on the follow button. And that's how you can follow people on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.